States of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. So let's get into the chapter Matter. We see a number of things around us. Everything around us is made up of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter is made up of molecules. Molecules are the tiny particles in nature that can exist independently. For example, oxygen is made of molecules of oxygen. Water is made of molecules of water. Molecules are so small that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. We can see them only under a microscope. States of matter and their molecular arrangement. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids. The molecules in solids are tightly packed, so they have a fixed shape and a definite volume. They are not free to move around. Solids like stone are hard. Solids like cloth and paper are soft. Examples: pen, pencil, book, chalk. Fascinating facts. Volume is the amount of space occupied by matter. Liquids. The molecules in liquids are loosely packed. They are free to move around. They do not have a fixed shape, but they have a fixed volume. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids are a type of fluids. They can flow. Examples: water, juice, milk. Fascinating facts. Water kept in a glass may appear still to you. However, the water molecules are constantly moving and bumping with each other. Gases. Molecules in gases are very loosely packed, so they can move freely. They do not have a fixed shape and volume. They take up all the space in the container in which they are kept. Examples: carbon dioxide gas, oxygen, nitrogen. Let us learn the differences between solids, liquids, and gases. Solids have a definite shape. Liquids have no definite shape. Gases have no definite shape. Molecules of solids are tightly packed. Molecules of liquid are loosely packed. Molecules of gases are very loosely packed. Solids have a definite volume. Liquids have a definite volume. Gases have no definite volume. Solids are generally hard. Liquids are not hard. Gases are also not hard. Solids do not flow. Liquids can flow. Gases also can flow. Changing states of matter. Matter cannot be created or destroyed, but it can change from one state to another by the process of heating or cooling. The ice on being heated has changed to water. The water on being heated has changed into steam. Let us see what is actually happening at the molecular level. Solid state to liquid state. Solids turn into liquid when they are heated. The temperature at which the solids melt to convert into liquid is called as the melting point of the solid. At molecular level, when we heat the solid, the molecules gain energy. They start moving, vibrating at a greater speed. The gained energy makes them overcome the force of attraction present between the molecules. This allows the molecules to start moving more freely. Hence, their molecular arrangement changes and the solids convert from solid to liquid. Liquid state to gas state. The liquids turn into gas when they are heated. The temperature at which the liquid converts into gas is called the boiling point of liquid. The process is known as evaporation. At molecular level, when we heat the liquid, the molecules gain energy. They start moving even faster. The gained energy makes them break free from the force of attraction present between the molecules. This allows the molecules to start moving more freely, and the spaces between the molecules also become more. So, as their molecular arrangement changes, the liquid converts into gas. Gas state to liquid state. The gas changes into liquid state when its temperature is decreased or cooled. The temperature at which the gas changes into liquid is called the condensation point of the gas, and the process is known as condensation. At molecular level, when the temperature of the gas is decreased, cooling process, the molecules give out energy to the surrounding. The loss of energy brings the molecules closer to each other. Hence, their molecular arrangement changes and the gases convert into liquid. Liquid state to solid state. The liquid changes into solid when the temperature is decreased. This is called as freezing. The temperature at which the liquid freezes into solid is known as freezing point of liquid. At molecular level, when the temperature of the liquid is decreased, cooling process, the molecules give out energy to the surrounding. The loss of energy brings the molecules closer to each other. Hence, their molecular arrangement changes and the liquid converts into solid. Deposition and sublimation. In some cases, a gas may convert directly into solid without passing the liquid stage. This is called deposition. For example, in cold place, frost appears in early winter mornings on plants and grass. The water vapor, gas, in the air changes into ice, solid. When a solid gets converted directly into a gas, it is called sublimation. For example, naphthalene balls, which are used to keep insects away, can directly convert into gas. Brain kick. Experimental learning. A balloon is attached to the mouth of a vessel containing soda. The vessel is then shaken gently and left to stand for some time. The balloon gets inflated. Solubility in water. There are various substances that dissolve in water. Some substances dissolve easily. Some substances take time to dissolve. The substance which dissolves in a liquid is called solute. For example, sugar, salt, etc. The liquid in which a substance dissolves is called a solvent. For example, water, milk, etc. When a substance dissolves completely in a liquid, the resulting liquid is called solution. Let's sum up, children. Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Property simply means how a material looks, behaves, or feels. Solid, liquid, and gas are made up of very tiny particles called as molecules. The strength of the force between the molecules decides the nature of any state of matter. In a solid, the strength of the force between the molecules is very strong. The space between the molecules is called intermolecular space. Substances that dissolve in water are called soluble substances. Substances that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substances.